Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is lecture number 6 of set theory. We are done with types of sets. Today we are going to start a new topic that is called as subset. Okay, so yeah, let's start it. Yeah, subset. It is denoted like this or like this. Okay, so yeah, what is the meaning of subset? Let's write the definition. If set A is a subset of if set A is a subset of set B, then all the elements of set A, all the elements of set A lies in set B. Okay, so yeah, if set A is a subset of set B, then all the elements, okay, then all the elements of set A lies in set B. Okay, so that is the definition. So yeah, if set A is a subset of set B, so we write this is what in maths in the mathematical language we write this as A is a subset A is a subset of set B. This is how you represent it. Okay, so yeah, that is it with the definition. So let's do a small example. Okay, so set A is 1 comma 2 and set B is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4. So if I write A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, this is not C, this is subset of A. So which of them is true? As you all know, since all the elements of A are lies in elements of set B. All the elements in set A lies in set B. Yeah, all the elements in set A lies in set B. So yeah, this is true. But all the elements in set B doesn't lie in set A. So this is false. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, so you need to write all the subsets for this set. Okay, so yeah, the subset is all the subsets for this set A is 1, then 2, then 1 comma 2, and then an empty set. Okay, an empty set is nothing but 5. Okay, how did I write it? I hope you understand it, that all the subsets you need to write all the subsets of set A. So yeah, 1 we write 1, it's present in set A. 2, it is also present in set A. 1 comma 2, it is also present in set A. So yeah, here comes a note. You need to write here that 5 is subset of every set. And yeah, if you ask like of how 5 is subset of every set, then I would like to remind you, my friend, that you are going in a wrong direction. You don't need to research on all that. All the great mathematics scientists, they have invented this formula so that we can use it easily. So it's not our work to do the research. So yeah, second point, every set is a subset of itself. Is a subset of itself. Okay, so these are the 2 points which you need to note. This is important. Okay, we can use this. It will be useful when we solve numericals. Okay, so yeah, let's do an example. Okay, so this is an example. You need to write all the subsets for this set. Okay, so yeah, let's start. 1, 2, 3. First we write all the elements single, then we group up like, yeah, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is 2, and then empty set 5. 5, not 5, 5. Okay, so that's it. So yeah, now comes a and most important formula. This, yeah, this important, that's why I write it as most important formula. So what does this most important formula tell? So this is the most important formula here, that is the number of subsets of any set. Here we take set A into consideration, so number of subsets of any set A is equal to 2 to the power number of elements in set A, that is 2 to the power n of A. So yeah, how to implement this? Let's implement this in this question, this formula. So here number of elements in set A is 3. Okay, so it implies number of subsets. How many subsets are there? So it's 2 to the power n of A, which is equals to 2 cube, it equals to 8. So there should be 8 subsets. Okay, so yeah, let's confirm this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so if you want, before writing the subsets, you can calculate this formula and see how many subsets you need to write, and then write accordingly so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, that is proper subset. Proper subset, what is the definition of proper subset? It tells us that definition of proper subset is all the subsets excluding itself. Proper subset is nothing but all the subsets of a set excluding itself, which means, see, in subset we wrote the definition as every set is a subset of itself. So such as when we had to write the subsets for this set, we wrote 1 2 3, then 1 2 2 3 1 3 1 2 3, and then empty set. But in proper subset we don't include this, because according to the definition of proper subset, all the subsets excluding itself. So if we excluding itself, so yeah, this is, we need to exclude this according to this question. Okay, so yeah, that's a proper subset. So yeah, let's do some examples. So for this question, if we had to write the subsets for this question, so we would write it as 1 2, an empty set, and then itself. So this is what, these are the subsets, whereas proper subset means excluding itself. So yeah, these three come under proper subset for this set. Okay, so yeah, shall we do another example? So the next example is same as this question only. So yeah, I've written it here, I've already wrote it here. So yeah, suppose A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So we write all the subsets, so excluding this, by excluding this all, excluding this, rest of all are called as proper subset. If we include this, then it is a subset. Excluding this, so this all come under proper subset. Okay, so yeah, let's write a note. The note is that, so to calculate the number of proper subsets, we write 2 to the power number of elements in set A minus 1. Just like most important formula for subset, you just write 2 to the power na, but here you just minus 1, you just subtract 1, because proper subset, is nothing but all the subsets excluding itself. Okay, I've repeated this point so many times, so I hope that you understood. Yeah, one more thing. This is how you represent a proper subset. Proper subset is denoted like this, and subset is denoted like this. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for today in this lecture. So I hope you understood everything which I taught you today, and please do revise it. If you understood, then please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your friends so that they will get help. And I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.